Hey y'all, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to try out a new foundation with most of our products from our signature look, and it is Haus Labs, and I got the shade 500 Deep Neutral because y'all know I love me a good neutral foundation. So let's see if this one works a little bit better than the one from E.L.F. It's neutral. Go back and check out that video if you haven't seen it already, because y'all know how we roll. We slay it no matter what the foundation looks like when it comes about that jar, okay? Because we works with our foundation around here. Let's get to the tutorial. Y'all know we like our 2 pumps. And let's go here. Okay, Haus Labs. Definitely giving a different vibe than the E.L.F. We're gonna go ahead with our NYX Won't Stop, Can't Stop brush, or Can't Stop, Won't Stop brush. We're gonna get that pushed into the skin. Hey, see how that 2 pumps give coverage. Pretty good. Y'all know I try to keep it around my perimeter. I do not like to go in the middle of my face because I like to layer less, not layer more. I'm gonna try to go ahead and see if I can pump some up here on the forehead. Let's just see what's left on my brush. I had a little more left on the brush, so let's see. Get this on. She cute or whatever. Okay. This is how I like my foundation to look. Darker than me normally. As you can see, it's darker than my skin, but I do like it to look that way because if we blends it in around here, you know, give me that contour look down here already, so I don't have to do too much contouring on my neck. But then also when I use my other products, baby, we brings it together, because y'all know, y'all saw my video where I told y'all I did not know that that was gonna happen, but we know how to do our color wheel and make our foundations work. Watch this slay. I'll be back after I blend it all on my face. All right, y'all, so this is it. Up close, personal. I just wanted you guys to get a real good look at what the foundation looks like before I put anything on it. I did go into the center portions of my face just a tad, and I did blend it down onto my neck some, just to get like the blend into this shirt, since I do have it on, so it won't look so much like a stark difference. I only used 2 pumps of that foundation. I did not go back in with any more. So I'm gonna go off, do the rest of my makeup, and then we will come back at the end of the day to show you how it lasts. Okay, party people, it is 10:55, and this is the look that we have for today. I'm gonna wear this for a few hours and see how our Haus Labs will hold up. I'm rooting for it because it looks really nice to me so far. I mean, I probably shouldn't have said that and give y'all my thoughts at the end, but I'm rooting for it. I'll be back to let you know my thoughts. So I'm in my car getting ready to go into Ulta, and I decided to turn my camera on because we're doing a review. So why not show you what this foundation looks like in natural sunlight and the time. It is, oh, I don't watch. It's 4:45 in the afternoon. So we put it on at 10:55, 4:45, and we're still going. I have not like touched it up, you know, done anything like that. No blotting, I should say, no tapping, blotting. I have not did any retouches. Only thing that I did do was take off that lip color because I just felt like it was taking my look somewhere I did not want it to go. So this is the update. Let's go into Ulta and see what they got. Okay, y'all, so it is 7:20 and I am just now getting out of Ulta, but I will caveat that by saying I haven't been out of my house since Monday, so y'all give me a reprieve on that. However, I also want to say that my total was originally like $200 for what I bought, but it ended up being only $61 because your girl apparently shops here way too much, and I had like $125 worth of points. But just to show y'all some of the goodies, I did pick up me some eye makeup remover because I don't know what happened to mine. Anaya, if you got me, I'm coming for you. And then instead of me going back to my NW51, I picked up this OG right here. If y'all don't know about this, oh my God, I saw it and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna retry this back out again. So that's what I picked up. And then on my way out the door, I saw, well, and I decided that I wanted to go ahead and start back using my night cream. So I went back to my Tula. If you saw, or if you haven't seen, well, my first video where I did my skincare, I used this in that video. So I just went back to it because I wanted something else to put on my face at night. And I also used Laneige, but if I go to Sephora, I will pick it up. But I found these. I thought this was really cute. So y'all know I went in there originally for some eye paint. I do have the one that is like this the larger size. I do have this one in, what is the shade? I can't think of it now. Cloud or something like that. I do have that shade in the bigger one, and I happen to see these minis on my way out the door, and I was like, you know what, let me try it. Even though we're not doing color in this day and age, I still want to try it. So that's what I got in my bag. And then last but not least, I want to try a different eyebrow gel, only because I can see this one and it's clear, and I just wanted to try something different. This was pretty cheap, pretty inexpensive, so I figured, hey, what the heck. So apparently they're promoting these, so they just threw a whole bunch of these in my bag. That's that on that. All right, y'all. Best thing about my bag that I really am anxious to try are these lashes, because it says that it's no glue needed, and it's only like one step. So I mean, how much better is that? One step. Hello. So that was my shopping trip at Ulta, and I'm getting ready to go into Home Goods. So yeah, I'll see y'all tonight. I'm trying to make use of this makeup, so I hope y'all getting a full look at what it looks like as I go through my day. So we are back, and I'm looking at myself in my computer, and I'm looking like, wow, my makeup, as y'all saw, held up throughout the day. It is currently, what time is it? 9:43. My camera, 9:43, and we started this at what, 10:55 this morning, and this is what my makeup looks like. Y'all saw me go to the store. I did get out the house, try to get into the elements, and let me tell y'all something about Home Goods. It was hot in there, so hot that I started to sweat. So my makeup had to dry back up, and it was like some type of a good absorbent sponge. It started to sweat, and then it just dried up perfectly how you see it right now. Like, it looks really natural, really radiant. And though it doesn't look as matte as it looked when I started out, I still don't dislike the look. I have skin, and I have a natural oil that is going to protrude through my skin, but it's not so much that it looks disgusting or nasty or like my makeup is running off my face. It looks really good. So my primer is doing its job. Everything is doing its job. My thoughts, I put my specs back on. So my thoughts are, it is long lasting. It is a very, very, very nice finish. If I had to describe it, I would say it is more on the medium coverage side. And how much was Haus Labs? Oh God, I can't remember the price, but I will pop it up for you on the screen so you will know. And I will also leave all the details of everything that I use for my makeup today down in the detail section below. Would I wear this again? Of course. I love the shade of it. It's on the darker side, which if you've watched any of my videos or most of my videos, you know I like my makeup on the darker side, and this is that, because I can use concealers and other products to bring out the brighter side in the center part of my face and just make it match. And I got so many compliments on my shirt and like the whole look today. I wish you guys could see the whole thing, but it's just really cute. I like it. Yeah, let me know how you guys feel about Haus Labs. If you've ever tried this foundation, I really would love to know how it worked for you and some of the things that you felt about the foundation. Also, don't forget to check out my next video. We will use some of the items that we purchased in this video, because why not? Why buy them if we're not going to use them? But I'm ready to get out of this makeup and just relax for the night. So I'm going to go and use some of my Tula, first off, my night cream, and get this party started with that. At the end of the day, make sure y'all take care of y'all skin. All right, later.